What's up guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in today's video I am going to be showing you what you are going to rub over your tummy, and it is just going to remove all of those belly fat. Okay, so let me show you my belly. Okay, let me stand up. Okay, can you see that? Okay guys, so this is just going to help you to get a flatter stomach and a very snatched body. Okay, so if you are consistent in this dough, it's going to help you, and it might not work for everybody though, because we have different skin type. Okay, and your fat cells is actually different. To some people it's actually very soft to dissolve. To some it's difficult to dissolve. Okay, so if you want to know what it comprises, please do continue watching, and don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please share this video. Don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Alright guys, let's dive into the video. To remove belly fat guys, we're going to be making use of Colgate toothpaste. Now this miraculously helps so much in removing belly fat. Okay, using it alongside with the other ingredient that I'm going to be showing you is going to help you in removing belly fat day by day by day. Okay, so we're going to be pressing in the toothpaste and not too much. Then we're going to be making use of Vaseline. Now we're going to be putting Vaseline into this remedy so as to help us in taming down the harshness of this on the skin, and so as to work and get into the fat cells and remove and reduce all of the belly fats. And then a little quantity will be enough. It will go round. Then we're going to be putting a Aboniki balm. Now if you don't have a Aboniki balm, you can grab in Vapor Rub. Okay, I'm sure you can get Vapor Rub if you can get hold of a Aboniki balm. Okay, then we're going to be putting in a Aboniki balm. Now we're also going to be needing onion. Now onion is a great remedy for the skin, so it's going to miraculously help us in getting rid of belly fat externally. Okay, and now we're going to cut in the onion. So we're going to be sieving out the juice of the onion. I'm going to be putting just a little quantity of that and mix it first. So you have to mix it very well so that the abonike will be losing into all of these ingredients, okay? So what you're going to do is that I'm going to use this spoon, guys. You have to apply this onto your belly. As I'm gonna be using my hand and as illustration, guys. Apply this generously. Now this might not work for everybody, guys, okay? So it's actually not a remedy that works for everybody. It depends on how your skin is, okay? And it depends on how stubborn your fat is. If your fat is actually quite really stubborn, this might not work, okay? But if your fat is a very mild and responsive fat to treatment, it will work. So what you're going to do is to get a clean nylon and then you're going to wrap it through it, okay? Just like this. Wrap it so it could be very tight. Very tight. Okay, you can wrap it 2 times or 3 times depending on how you want it, but make sure it is very tight. So there won't be any room for hair to actually get into that place, okay? So that it can sweat a whole lot and then heat up the fat cells, okay? And then you're going to be loving your belly, okay? So after you've actually applied this, then you can if you have a waist trainer, you can wrap it through again. It's actually beginning to heat my skin up, okay? But the Vaseline is going to help a whole lot, okay, and prevent it not to hurt my skin. Anyways, it's not going to hurt the skin even if you don't put Vaseline in it. But put up your waist trainer and then you go to, you know, doing some little exercise, or you can even stay like that without doing any exercise. So that's it, guys. Using this would help you in no time get rid of it, but you have to be consistent and you have to apply a little bit of patience and time, okay? So if you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please share this video. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Alright, I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye guys, and